Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm unlocking the world of NFTs for you with a step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an NFT is and how to create or buy one. Let's dive in. So, what's an NFT? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a digital asset that represents ownership of something unique, stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs are one-of-a-kind items that can't be replaced with something else. Key features of NFTs include uniqueness. Each NFT is one of a kind, even in a collection. Ownership. The blockchain records proof of ownership and transaction history. Immutability. NFTs can't be altered or copied. Interoperability. They can be used across different platforms and marketplaces. Examples of NFTs range from digital art and music to collectibles, virtual real estate, and even videos and GIFs. Alright, now let's talk about creating an NFT. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a blockchain. Popular choices include Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. You'll need this to store cryptocurrencies for minting fees. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Phantom Wallet are some popular options. Step 3. Buy cryptocurrency. Purchase the cryptocurrency that matches your chosen blockchain. For Ethereum-based NFTs, you'll need ETH. You can buy it on platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Step 4. Choose an NFT marketplace. Examples include OpenSea, Rarible, Magic Eden for Solana, and Foundation. Step 5. Create your digital asset. This could be a digital painting, a music track, or a video. Step 6. Mint your NFT. Connect your wallet to the marketplace, select Create or Mint NFT, upload your digital file, add details like title and description, set royalties, and pay the gas fee. Step 7. List your NFT for sale. Decide on a fixed price or auction format, set your price in cryptocurrency, and promote your NFT to attract buyers. Now, if you're interested in buying an NFT, here's how. Step 1. Set up a wallet. Install a crypto wallet like MetaMask and link it to your browser. Step 2. Add cryptocurrency. Purchase the cryptocurrency accepted by the NFT marketplace where you plan to buy. Step 3. Select a marketplace. Popular ones include OpenSea, Magic Eden, Rarible, and LooksRare. Step 4. Explore and search for NFTs. Browse collections or use filters like price and popularity. Check the NFT's metadata, ownership history, and creator. Step 5. Purchase the NFT. If it's a fixed price, click Buy Now. For auctions, place a bid and monitor it. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and pay the associated fees. Step 6. View your NFT. Once the transaction is complete, the NFT will appear in your wallet or on your account in the marketplace. A few key considerations. Gas fees can vary based on network congestion. Be cautious of scams by verifying the creator and contract details. And remember, the resale value of NFTs can fluctuate. By following these steps, you're ready to explore the exciting world of digital ownership and creativity. Thanks for watching and happy NFTing!